bike check on the 2018 SoCal City Grounds. Okay, starting off from the top, I have ODI grips with the red Thorns. This is the XL, this is the normal. I have the stop bar that comes with the bike. 2018 Mike Buff Big Ripper bars. Magic Design Ripper stickers. Not rubber stickers, SoCal Fire stickers, which are the best brand for Reflex in my opinion. I have a few Reflex. Low strip. UK grip pegs. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. These little rubber thingies. Purple KMC Z10, I think it is chain. The SE Racing seat. It came with the black and white one, the red. Tektro brakes all the way around. I have the lever too. Have a little reflective right there. Brake sleeve. I have cool stops. Maxis, hookworms. These little valve caps. They're expensive, but they're like $10. That's about it. It rides really good. SE bikes are awesome. Next one I'm probably getting 2019 Boss Fire or 01 Fire, but I like both of them. Anything else? I spent a lot of money on it, but I have a little Reflex right there. The wheels up, guns down. Yep. Any trades out there, leave them in the comments. No dumb offers.